Hot Rod Power Tour 2024, Day 5. Hebron down, Indy bound. Although the biggest surprise for the day was waking to an empty parking lot. I think we're a little bit behind the crowd. So weather-wise, we have a mild, damp morning that should turn into a great day in a few hours. The spectator route took a lot longer than we expected. But it was worth it to see all the big smiles and thumbs up from the little kids, the future hot rodders of America for sure. So, time for one last fill up before the big push on I-70. Greeting spectators on I-40 through the small Indiana towns. It was a long, slow ordeal, but we finally made it to Indy and hooked up with Joyce and Art Duncan, who had been waiting for us for quite a while, missing most of the activities for the day. We were so happy, however, that Joyce had the forethought to pre-register us for the Circle City Vintage Car Club 25th Anniversary Cruise-In. We had a great time, the cars were great, the newfound friends were fantastic, and the food was delicious. So we retired to a very nice suite at the Hampton Inn by Hilton for a peaceful night's sleep after a nice, relaxing time with our new friends. The next morning, with Indy down, we headed east into the sun, Cleveland bound. The monster ran great the whole time, with absolutely no problems.